Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify dehaze and clarity adjustments for natural skin tones. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your image editing software of choice. Import the photo you wish to work on. Locate the dehaze adjustment tool within the interface. Apply the dehaze adjustment gradually. Observe how the changes affect the overall image. Next, navigate to the clarity adjustment tool. Adjust the clarity slider slowly to see its impact. Pay attention to how these adjustments alter skin tones. Zoom in on the subject's face for a more precise view. Ensure that the skin tones remain natural and healthy. If skin tones appear too harsh or oversaturated, revert the adjustments slightly. Use the undo or reset options if necessary to compare different levels. Once satisfied, toggle the adjustments on and off to assess the changes. Look for any inconsistencies or color casts that may arise. If needed, make additional fine-tuning adjustments. Consider using a mask to apply effects selectively. This will help preserve the integrity of skin tones while enhancing the image. Final checks are essential before finishing. Review the entire image for balance and natural appearance. Save your final adjustments to preserve the changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.